Well, hello. Join me on the floor today as I unbox and demonstrate what's in this guy. It's just a 4-part shelving unit. It's like a plastic 4-piece stackable shelves. I'm gonna open this box up, see what that looks like, build it. Ought to be pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like. So, inside this box that I just got, we have, of course, some paperwork with instructions, looks like. Pretty simple. And then we have these. Each of these looks to be its own shelf. It's like a little box. This should unfold and then stack one on top of the other. 1, 2, 3, 4. These all look to be, yep, identical, and they'll just stack. So I'm gonna open one of these, show you the process, and then I'm gonna pause, do all of them together, then stack them. And this just looks like it's the plastic wrap. Come on. Oop, there we go. Okay. This just opens up like that, and this opens up here, and looks like it just slides together like that. So it'll open there, and other side, click, and then this as well, and there we go. And I think that's just that. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 of these, and I'll be right back. Oh. Hey. Okay. And that's the last one. Come on. There we go. Okay. No, that's not as difficult as I made it look. So each of these 4 should just stack one on top of the other. 1, 2, and 3. They're not exactly latched together there, but they are stacked. I don't think it gets more complicated than that. Hello, cat. You stay out of this for a bit. Yeah, it's just kind of sitting on top of each other. They're not super stable. I mean, it probably doesn't move much unless I kind of agitate it. If I want to put something in there, like, for example, a single shoe. I don't know what that does. It's not wobbly. This would probably sit under my desk. I could put individual tchotchkes, widgets, and whatchamahoots in there, and it'll be just fine. This is not going to fall down. Like, these are lashed in pretty tightly, so this is not going to just kind of collapse on me. I'm more so worried about, you know, if I move this too much, it's that kind of easy to just accidentally slide these off of each other. Because they're not attached to the next level here. But either way, fairly simple product. Unboxes and unlatches and kind of combines relatively easily enough. But you see there's how easy it is to kind of just slide off each other. But anyway, that's that. Let me know what you think. Just gonna put this under my desk and kind of forget it's there for a bit. I'll see y'all next time.